Welcome to this Mom Can. Today, we are diving into the hearty and flavorful potato dish that's sure to become a family favorite. First, we start with a humble potato. I peel and cut them into generous chunks, setting the stage for a dish that's both rustic and comforting. The potato, a versatile and nutritious staple, is rich in vitamins and minerals, making it an excellent choice for a wholesome meal. Next, I move on to the onions and peppers, slicing them with precision to ensure they release their full flavor into the dish. Onions, known for their natural sweetness and depth of flavor, are a key ingredient in many savory dishes. Don't forget the chili peppers for that extra kick. Chili peppers not only bring heat but also contains capsaicin, which has numerous health benefits, including boosting metabolism and reducing inflammation. With all the prep work done, it's time to focus on the turkey. I had earlier on cleaned and cut the turkey into sizable chunks, ready to be transformed into a succulent centerpiece. Turkey is a lean source of protein, rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B and selenium, which supports overall health and well-being. Into the saucepan goes a splash of oil, just enough to coat the bottom without overwhelming the dish. The turkey hits the hot pan, sizzling and releases its natural juices. Now in goes my spices. I added a blend of all-purpose spices, garlic, and a variety of chicken spices, stirring to coat the turkey evenly. Garlic, known for its aromatic and medicinal properties, enhances the flavor profile of the dish. As the turkey cooks, it begins to release its own juices, creating a rich base for our dish. I then add the onions, allowing them to soften and meld with the turkey. Oh my God, the aroma is already mouth-watering and beginning to fill up the whole kitchen, but we're just getting started. Now in goes the potatoes, absorbing all the flavors and adding their own creamy texture to the mix. I went ahead to add some water to help create a luscious sauce that ties everything together. Water is essential for creating a cohesive dish, allowing the flavors to meld and develop. Next, I pour in the double cream, stirring to create a velvety, rich sauce that envelopes the turkey and potatoes. Double cream adds a luxurious texture and richness to the dish, making it indulgent and satisfying. The carrots join the party, adding a pop of color and a sweet earthy flavor. Carrots are not only visually appealing, but also packed with beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body, supporting vision and immune function. A generous sprinkle of curry powder infuses the dish with its fragrant aroma, whilst parsley adds a fresh herbal note. The curry powder, a blend of spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander, brings warmth and complexity to the dish. The parsley, on the other hand, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, add a burst of freshness and color. As the dish simmers, the colors meld together, creating a visually stunning and aromatic masterpiece. The kitchen is filled with the divine scent of spices and herbs, making it impossible to resist. The simmering process allows the flavors to deepen and develop, resulting in a harmonious and well-balanced dish. Finally, I dish out the creamy, flavorful potato and turkey stew, showcasing the vibrant colors and rich textures. It's a feast for the eyes and the plates, perfect for busy moms who want to create something special for their families. The combination of tender turkey, creamy potatoes, and vibrant vegetables creates a comforting and satisfying meal that everyone will love. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to check out our other videos for more easy and delicious family meals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this Mom Can. For more inspiration and recipes, please stay tuned. Your support helps us continue to create content that inspires and empowers everyone. Join our community and let's cook together, sharing tips, tricks, and stories along the way. Until we meet again, I can't wait to dig in. But do share with us if you were able to try out this recipe. Have a brilliant Sunday. Take care. Bye.